Hello, so I have got the perfect Bluetooth for you. This Bluetooth comes with multiple size of the earbuds. It comes in this lovely, beautiful case here. This is the AIHOOR brand. It is really sleek. It has a charging cable, and this is what they look like. And they have indicators for left, and they have indicator for what's right. Once you do place them in your ear, like I'm doing now, it fits comfortably. They're not going anywhere. I will go just to my general settings. And as you see, I am connected. Right now, I'm gonna pull up some music. I'm gonna go ahead and tap once to pause the music. And then I can go ahead and tap on this end here to play. This, if I hold it down, you see how it is turning up the music. When I hold on the right side, I'm gonna hold on the left side like so. And it is adjusting it to go downwards as far as the volume. If I want to rewind or go back on the music, I will just double tap and it will start from the beginning. If I want to switch the song, I would do the double tap on the right side and it switches the song for me. It does everything. You do not need your phone once you have it in your ear. I'm gonna get a phone call. I'm gonna tab to answer. And then when I'm ready to disconnect the phone, I'm going to go ahead and double tap and it will end it for me. And it has ended. This is the perfect Bluetooth. It fits lovely in my ear. It is lightweight. It is convenient. It is perfect. I am in love with the packaging. It is nice and sleek. It comes with these well-detailed instructions. I highly recommend anybody to get these.